Hello friends, welcome to C4CAD. This is the sixth video of sheet metal design series in NX Unigraphics. In this, we will see how to use jog feature in sheet metal design. So let's get started. Here we have one sheet metal object. To use jog feature, we can find the jog feature in the band group and in more section. So click on jog feature. The objective of jog feature is to create an offset in the face of a part. To use this feature, we have to select a jog line and a target face. Then after we can edit the jog properties using these options available. So first we will select the curve. So click on sketch section and select this face. Click on OK. Draw one line from this midpoint in this direction. Enter the length 80 and angle 0. Now close this and finish the sketch. So the jog feature is applied. Now we will see the jog properties. The first is height. We can change the height by entering the parameter here, and also we can change the height by using this handle. We can reverse the direction by clicking here. So the jog is created on the other side. Here we will enter 10. Now we will see the angle. We can change the jog angle by entering the parameter over here, or we can change the angle by moving this blue dot. Now we will see the height reference. Here we have two options in height reference from which we have to measure the height. So here we can select the inside and the outside. And next we will see the inside. In inside we have three options: material inside, material outside and band outside. So here we can select as per our requirement. And the next one is extend section. If we tick mark this, then the jog will be applied up to the end of the sheet. In the more option we have a band parameters and relief option, which will be defined by the sheet metal preferences. Now we will untick this and click on OK to apply the feature. Here we have created a jog with a horizontal line. Now we will see with a vertical line. So go to jog. Now we will select this face and draw one line like this. Now close this. Select this midpoint and this midpoint. Apply the horizontal alignment and go to rapid dimension. Select this line. Enter the dimensions 40 and enter the distance from this edge 100. Now close this. Finish the sketch. So the jog will be created like this. Like the previous one, we can edit the jog properties using these options available. Here we will reverse the direction and enter the angle 30. So the jog will be created like this. Now click on OK to apply. So this is how we can use the jog feature in sheet metal design. In the next video, we will see the band feature. Thank you friends. If you like this video, then please subscribe to C4CAD.